Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bow in hair. So here you can see that I'm using my brown pen to draw the bow in a beautiful girl's hair. I have drawn her face, and now I'm drawing her hair with my black pen. Let's draw the bow. Now I'm coloring her hair with my black pen. Coloring is really fun. Let's complete her lips with my brown pen. I'm using my orange pen for the bow. Wow, she's looking beautiful. Now I'm drawing her dress with my pink pen. I'm using red and pink again. I'm using my pink highlighter pen. Uh-oh, it's almost the same. To color her skin, I'm using my brown colored pencil. Be careful, don't rub your pencil too hard. I will blend the color with a tissue paper. Here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching.